Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Ford Focus SE. Now, previously I have owned a 2018 Focus ST, which for those of you that don't know what that is, that was Ford's hot version of the Focus until they came out with the RS. The ST featured a 252 horsepower motor, mated to exclusively a 6-speed automatic. Now, you might be looking at that center display being like, what the heck is that? My Focus doesn't have that. I think that's how you disengage it. Okay, it is. All right. So, to engage that separate display screen, hold OK and down and start the car. Keep holding it. There you go. So now you can go through a bunch of different modes. This is meant to test the instrument panel. So you have your gauge sweep, red, green, blue, a bunch of different colors all over. You can test all your LEDs. So it goes through all of that. Eco mode, gear shift, sets that. That's your rating. Bunch of different, basically identification numbers. You have a speedometer with kilometer and miles per hour right there. You have a real-time tachometer, your odometer, which that isn't actually 64,000 miles. I don't know how that counts it, but your fuel percentage, your fuel flow. So the more fuel that goes through, it monitors how much fuel's flowing. Your engine temperature, battery voltage, distance to empty. Don't know what that's measured in. Average fuel economy. I don't know what RAFI stands for. And then you're back to gauge sweep. I'm gonna set it on the tachometer. Now, I found that when I owned my Focus. But, yeah, let's go ahead. Go for a drive. Almost sneezed in the middle of the video. Driving in the test mode will literally not hurt a single thing. I shut you off. Auto start stop. I'm like, I didn't install it, it's not a manual. Aha! Okay, so this one has a pretty rare engine option, and as I was driving it more, I started to realize that it had it. This is the 1 liter inline 3 cylinder. Like, it doesn't sound like a 4-cylinder, and it's not. This transmission is not your typical automatic, it is a dual clutch. But yeah, so that's your test mode. Really easy to use. When you want to exit, just hit the OK and down button and hold them. Hold the 2 of them. It'll take a while. And it'll come back to what you normally see. All your switch gear is really nice in here. This is the base infotainment screen, not a touch unit, but you have some nice buttons throughout. 2018 Foci did not have a CD changer. I found that out when I owned mine. Other than that, from 2015 until the last model year of 18, not much changed. I've actually been wanting to try out the 3-cylinder for quite a good amount of time, and I just picked this because this is the first normal Focus I have ever driven. I've only ever driven STs and RSs, so I've never tried a normal Focus, and it's still a lot of fun. It's great to have a car with brakes that work. do like the gauges. They're very, very easy to read. Very nice layout. All the information you would ever need. Wow, this brings back a lot of memories from when I had my ST. I used to take my ST down this road all the time. And I'll be completely honest, this does not handle that much worse. This is still a really good platform. Steering is nice and tight. Not bad. So it will auto upshift for you. If you decide, hey, I don't want to shift, it will do so for you. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.